one day, this life no be Cho Cho. Just hold on, sit down and relax. There is something that is coming your way. Something very, very interesting. Something very, very interesting. Awa mono na monwa wezu ga adama eti monwa na akwa aka. Ifum na nkwuru somewhere ma no nwere ife mfuru we kwuru ebe a. He got to go. Ana me enene chasicha maka na adama aba n'uno na mo furu ọcha gbamgbam. And ana me enene chasi ife dị na moto. Wee ba moto. So ebe a no akarigo mu mmadụ iji na eti epele. He got to go. Agwago m ụnụ. Kwụsị this ife a na-eme na Facebook mana ụnụ achọrọ. So let this particular one be a test case. I followed this particular one to the end, and you will be very excited, and some people will be very disappointed to see the outcome of everything that played out. Just watch and listen. Adama ejebe a na-eme muchi na ọnwụ n'ime onye nwụ. Ana m akwụrụkwọnụ kwụsị ike o. Before nkwudo olu mmadụ, ana m atụchasịcha ajụjụ mee my findings before nkwudo olu mmadụ. Ịghọtago? Ọ na nna agba na Evangelist Ebuka Obi is an anointed man of God. An anointing here with excess grace. Adam agwagi ifem do cho. Adam agwagi ifem adoro cho. You gotta go. If I sleep and wake up tomorrow morning, you ask me ifem kuruketa. I will repeat it again because I have seen that grace. That grace is even playing out in my life. How much more people do more dedicated than I am. You gotta go. So if I have Cho, I'm gonna go say, in a kuna. On air, what of those people who Zion don't even know Nafanabia Zion, and yet every one of them will a testimony to share, and they will share it with you. A confirm one on a meme. You gotta go. God don't allow on Zion. Abulo Egumazi, Abulo Jeka Apata, Abulo Mama, I want to sleep. So relax. You gotta go. Mr. Godwin story is here, and it is going to clear a lot of doubt. Sit down and relax. Relax, yeah. We are bringing something interesting that you will be willing and pleased to hear. And some people will be so disappointed to hear it. Enough is enough. You gotta go. Enough is more than enough already. You people should allow Evangelist Ebuka Obi to rest. He's not the only man of God in Nigeria. You people should allow him to rest. Enough is more than enough for you people. Every day, Ebuka, every day, Ebuka, every day, Ebuka. You claim that you don't love Zion, but every day you are glued to Zion page. What are you doing there? One day, one day, one day, Mr. Godwin, Evangelist Godwin, we be a drop mother na Zion. We ban na Zion, we lueba, ebubedeba, we merive. Etu akan gumwa yesi we tikati si na Zion page wonder onya amayo mana onya aya amayo ke ya dasi ekpekpere ka o wule ezigbo onya ka ọ ghara iwa aja onya ịghọtago ka ọ ghara iwa aja onya. Ebuka Obi fake, Evangelist Ebuka Obi fake, hapụrụ na the Zionite or real, hapụrụ na the Zionite. What is your own business and what is giving you sleepless night? So we are bringing an update to you people. Update ya ye mo for the hane nwangere mo for the fane bakwa man ife na eme na Zion ablo ngwongwo mazo ebubedu na Zion do too excess. I can tell you I'm agwa here because of anything. Nna agwa eziokwu go to Zion. I'm only thing I pass it through, but the only advice you is go to Zion, follow up on Zion. You will see that the grace is too excess. I'm not a hype man. Adamalo MC. You gotta go. Nwoke rijukwu afọ. Pack you off, man. So I'm a gwagi ko wewolo. Fen na gwagu ife ya barugulu. You gotta go. Fen na gwagu ife ya barugulu. About Evangelist Godwin, just sit back and relax. You gotta go. You have a whole load of something coming your way. Yeah? And you will be pleased to hear it. Share this video. Share this video. Share this video. Share this video. Long live Evangelist Ebuka Obi. If you look Evangelist Ebuka Obi, Ndigbo ihu more than 1,000,000 fold. He is 1,000, 1 in a million. He is 1 in a million. He is 1 in a million. So no more ways to go put here with my full chest. Adama etimo nwa na akwa ga adama akwuko we woro. Ana m akwuru kwusi ike with up and nabo makana ejiro mojo we ti okorobia. agụ ada amụ agwọ, agụ ada amụ agwọ, agụ ada amụ ewu. Makwana agụ mụrụ m. Makwana agụ mụrụ m. Nne m ụwa agụ, nna m ụwa agụ. Ịghọtago? Agụ na-abụ. Ọgwụ ife machara nna m wuo. Share this video. Share this video. Don't worry. We are going to clear your doubt. If I don't know, dapper n'anya. Evangelist Godwin, sit back and relax. The package is coming to you as it is. Akohemiri, verified. Mama Wezugo na about 100% verified. In fact, 120% verified. Nke abụrụkwa nke Cho Cho, nke abụrụkwa nke toko no eche malo akọwalụ ije eju ese malo. But just sit down. Hang on ngwo na nkwelu na abịa. Ayi enye as it hot. This is Ezugo. Share this video.